Leetcode easy problem 3014. Minimum number of pushes to type word number 1. So given a string say ABC, imagine if we can count the frequency of each of all the characters, and for those characters that have higher frequency, we put them at the first, so we can push them only once to get that character. And it is possible that we can do it this way for 8 characters because there are 8 numbers. But for the next 8 characters, we have to push it twice. In the third batch of next 8 characters, we have to push it 3 times. And there are gonna be 2 extras. We have to push it for 4 times.